It's literally only my second day of not having a coffee. Yesterday, Monday, it wasn't too bad, even though there was people around me drinking coffee, but I was busy, I was hydrated, and I was on the go, so I didn't really think too much about it. So it's not as good as coffee, but it's sweet, it's got a similar taste, just without the kick. But sometimes that's all it takes. Just So how is your swapping? How is your upgrade going? What have you chosen to swap and replace? And how are you feeling so far? Because for me, just on the second day, that's all I'm kind of thinking about at the moment, coffee, because I love the way it makes me feel. I love the way that it gets me into my work, and I'm just blasting through my to-do list. And today, even though it's just the second day, and there's been many times when I've stopped coffee for 3, 4, 5 days, I thought, let's give it a week and let's do it together. So how are you getting on swapping out something for something better? How is your upgrade going?